Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how you can trade gold. Gold XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame. All right, on my screen I have four windows. And the first window is my main window. Okay, this is my main window. Then I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. Okay. Then I have indicator window 2. This is indicator window 2. Then I have indicator window 3. This is indicator window 3. Okay, so the main window, how you can use the main window for signal generation. Okay, I have some moving averages. Now, when the red moving average, when it drops below the blue moving average, that's your sell signal. This is your sell signal. Okay, when it rises above the blue moving average, that's your buy signal. That's a buy signal. This is your buy signal. The red line going above. Okay, going above the blue moving average, that's a buy signal. Okay, now your bullish trend is when both the red and the blue are above all the brown or black moving averages. I have two. This is the first one and this is the second one, like a light shade of black moving average. These two, when these two are above these two, then you have a bullish trend. But when the red and the blue drops below the two, like you have around here, you can see gold is on a bearish trend. Okay, so in a bullish trend, you only look for buy signals. That's when the red line crosses above the blue line. And in a bearish trend, you look for sell signal when the red line crosses below the blue line. Okay, so that's basically how to trade with the indicators on the main chart. Now let's go to indicator window 1. Now the way the strategy works on indicator window 1 is when the red and orange line, I mean this line, when it drops below towards the lower envelope, that's your support. So you expect to buy, you look for buy entries when they form support, when they test, when the red and when this line, orange and red line, when they both drop to the lower envelope, you look for buy entries. Okay, but when they rise up, let's look at scenarios where they rise up. Okay, like there's a rise up, okay, above the upper envelope around here. Look for sell entries. Okay, if you look at it, goes above the blue and then drops down. So around here, you start to look for sell entries. Around here, you look for buy entry. It drops below the black and then rises up. Just at this point, look for buy entry. Now it touches the top, the upper blue band. Touches the upper blue band, drops, look for sell entry. Okay, look for sell entry. Now this, you look for buy entry. you look for buy entry for this kind of scenario. So this kind of scenario, you look for sell entry. Looking for buy or sell entry involves you checking the main chart and other windows and find the alignment of signals. Okay, find the alignment of signals. Okay, we can go to indicator window 2. For indicator window 2 is basically when the blue line drops below, when the blue line cross from the upper level, this is the upper level, when it drops and crosses below the 50 level, then you have your sell signal. And reverse is the case when it from the lower level. This is the lower level, and it rises and crosses this 50 level, then you have your buy signal. Okay, aside that, when the blue line continually stays above the 50 level, look for buy, and continually stays below the 50 level, look for sell, signal. Okay, now for indicator window 3, I basically use indicator window 3 for determining the stop loss level and the take profit level. There's a way I calculate, then I find there's a way I do some calculation. Of course, the current, if you look at the current ATR, the current ATR says 4 point, if you look at this, just behind this shade, you see 4.51. That's the current ATR for the last 1 hour candle. So there's a way I add it, or add it to, there's a way I add the ATR value to the low of a bullish candle to generate my stop loss. And I'll multiply the pips by 3 for me to have 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So if I am able to generate from the trade entry to the stop loss using this ATR value, then I'll multiply the number of pips from the entry to the stop loss points by 3 for me to generate the number of pips for my take profit. And of course, when the trade is in profit and is in a sizable or reasonable profit, you can always trail with stop loss. Another way I use the ATR is to generate signal. Apart from using it to calculate stop loss and take profit, I use it to generate signal when if I look at all the indicator windows, like if I look at the main chart and I see price going up with the red line, okay, price starts to develop and form bullish candles and it's going up with the red line. And I also look at indicator window 1 and I see the red and orange line crossing above or going up. And I also look at indicator window 2 and I see my RSI line crossing the 50. And I also look at the ATR line and it's also going up. What that means is when all the lines are heading up, okay, with price, and I know I have a buy signal, a confirmed buy signal. Same thing goes for when they are all going down, like this is going down, this is going down, and I have this going down here, then I have this particular ATR sliding down, or this particular ATR sliding down, then I have my sell confirmation. I can place sell trades. So that's that for how to use this strategy to trade XAUUSD or gold on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, this strategy is good for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour daily time frame. You can use this strategy for higher time frames. All right. Now let's look at the parameters. Let's look at the settings. Okay, if we are going to check the settings, we have fractals. No, sorry, we have fractals. Then we have moving average. Period is 50. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close, and the color is blue. Then we have another moving average 240 period. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close. Color is gray. We have another one 4 period. Shift is 0. Method is smoothed. Apply to close. Color is red. Okay. And lastly, on the main chart, I have 850 period. Shift is 0. Color is simple. Apply to close. Color is gray. Now that's for the main chart. For indicator window 1, I have MACD. Fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Right. Then after the MACD on indicator window 1, I have average true range. And the period is 14. Color of the style match the background color of the chart. So I have moving average. Period is 850. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to previous indicators data. Color is black. Okay. The next moving average. Period is 3. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicators data. Style is style color is red, and the style style color is red. Okay, we have envelopes. Period is 350. Shift is 0. Deviation is 240.10. Method is exponential and applied to previous indicators data. The upper bound color is blue. The lower bound color is red. Then we have moving average. Period is 2. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Applied to first indicators data. Color is orange. Then we have indicator window 2. We have RSI. Period is 10. Apply to weighted close. Color is blue. Then for the level, we have 80 as all sell, 75 as sell, 70 as minus sell, 30 as minus buy, 25 as buy, 20 as all buy. Okay. Then we have 50 as weight. Okay. That's for the RSI. And lastly, we have average true range. Period is 14. The style is blue. Okay, that's that for the average true range. So that's that for the indicators. Okay, you can try this on 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour daily time frame. It's a very good strategy. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the like button. Like the video. Also, drop comment below the video. Ask questions when necessary. All right. We have website. Our website is www.binfxtrader.com. And visit the website to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. We also have another website, fxfables.com. Also visit our website to learn more on how to trade volatility index and forex. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.